Hi guys, Jerry here. Time for a little 5-minute lesson. I spend a lot of time looking at other people's blogs on the internet, and I ran across something the other day that I knew was a WordPress theme, and I didn't know how the person did it, but I really wanted one on my blog. You see, after you post a blog or post to have a posting, you end up with this leave a reply for people to leave comments. Well, I wanted to establish some ground rules, just as this other person had done, about comment spam, because I get a lot of that stuff, and it's just a pain to have to go back and delete it. So I said, well, that ought to be simple enough. So I went into my dashboard for my WordPress, and those of you that use WordPress, you come down here to your editor, which is just editing a bunch of PHP files. You've got a 404 template, you've got a footer, a header, you've got the main index. Right here is a comments PHP file. Well, I said, surely that's where you go. So I went to the comments. And I thought, well, a tip would be just start looking for the words leave a reply. But nowhere in here does it say leave a reply. This PHP code actually refers to a table where that word is in it. So you can't get to it from here. And I didn't know that. I thought it was just in the wrong place. So I went over here to WordPress.org, logged into the forums, and started asking some questions. And when I did, people were, and I explained what I was trying to do in the theme that I had. Well, people pointed out that that was a purchased theme, which it is, and I bought it from Woo Themes. They suggested I go over to Woo Themes and start asking some questions there. So I did. You log into support, and you're into the forums once you do that. And I started asking questions. And here's support forum. And as I did, I kept getting confused in what I was being told, because the moderators were telling me to just edit my comments PHP file. And I kept trying to explain that what they were telling me to put the text after the two H2 tags that said leave a reply, I could not find that. So after about 5 hours of this going back and forth, I finally said, look, I'm in my dashboard editor and I can't find it. Well, someone had the insight to tell me, hey, you can't do it in there. What you have to do is edit that file on your hosting server. So I said, okay, fair enough. I hopped over to my FileZilla, and let me just show you where that file is. It's under the public HTML. Under that you have WordPress content. Inside the content you have a thing called themes, and inside the themes you have folders for each of the themes that you have on your website. Well, this one was called Fresh News, and what I wanted to do was just look at Fresh News. Well, when I did that, here is my comments PHP file. There's some CSS files. There's all kinds of stuff in here that your header, your footer, all your content for that website. So what I wanted to do was edit this comments PHP file. Do a right mouse click, view, edit. I already had it open because I was here just a minute ago. You come on down here. This is in a text editor, Notepad as a matter of fact. Here are the two H2 tags that they were talking about. This opens it, and then it goes all the way down here to where it closes it. I was told to immediately after the closing of the H2 tag to put my text in here, and that's what I did. Please leave comments that are relevant to this conversation. Use your name and not your website's name. Otherwise, your comment will be summarily deleted. Well, I thought that hit the spot. That's what I wanted on my blog. So I just saved that and went back over to my blog. And in fact, whoops, that's what's there. Please leave comments that are relevant to this conversation. Use your name and not your website's name. Otherwise, your comment will be summarily deleted. That was pretty cool. So that was what I learned yesterday, and just wanted to share that with you guys. So that's my lesson for today, and we'll do it again soon. Bye now.